Hello dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. After 3 months of break, today I've decided to show you something interesting. It's gonna be a very short DIY video, so let's start. For today's DIY, you have to find some type of beads, wooden beads. I found this string of beads from 99 cents on the store, and it cost me $1.99. By the way, it also has this cute heart that says home sweet home. I will use that part separately. Then you may or may not need American flag. Any size will do, whatever size you find is okay. And I found this from my bathroom storage. By the way, it's a used cap. But have you ever thought, what does the cap has inside when you are buying these caps for the shower caps? They have one small part that you may use, and it is this cute thing. Here, let me pull it out. Here we go. I pulled it out. It was holding the shape of the shower cap, so it will look cute. Now we have something at the base for our beads to look better when you hang this. By the way, it's gonna be a home decor item, or you may also use it as a wreath for your doors. So I measured already. The bead fits this string perfectly. I'm calling it a string, but it's a circle, like a plastic. Here, see, it goes inside easily. And I will start beading this straw, if we can call it a straw. One by one, you may pull this string and cut it from here. Then enter each bead separately on this straw. So let me do it, and then I'll show you how it looks after beading this straw. Okay, dear friends, I've used almost all the beads, only 3 left, and I cut the string, leaving a little piece here because I'm thinking of adding this tassel type of ending into here, and I'll make a knot so it doesn't come out. Also, I may attach this heart from the top, but in order it to look more kind of aesthetically beautiful, I'm going to add probably some flowers if I find them. If I don't find them, I'll see what I can do. So let me finish this part, and then I'll come back with either flowers or something else, because I have this part remaining and this part remaining empty, so I have to cover it somehow. Okay, let me think what I can do. Okay, after tying the knot here, I'm going to hide this in the back of the heart, and only using masking tape. If you have scotch tape, it's better, because I couldn't find my scotch tape. I'm doing masking tape. Also, I guess masking tape is holding as well. Let's see if it holds. Okie dokie, I've taped or used the masking tape to cover this whole thing, and now turning it around, voila, the wreath is almost done, almost ready. Here we go. Only the flag is left, and we're gonna hang it somewhere on this wall, I guess, or you may even put it over your artificial flowers if you have something like this, similar something like so. I like it. Do you like it? Uh-oh, I'm missing one bead here. The white one, see, good, I saw it. And another white one here. Okay, I'm gonna add those 2 beads as well. Okay, I fixed it. Now, for attaching the flag to my so-called wreath, I'm going to use one of the wires that they're using to close the bread packages or other type of packages. By cleaning this part, the white will come out and the wire will be remaining. You can do it easily if you hold the wire under the water, running water. Here we go. Do you see this wire? Whenever you need wire for this type of small projects, you don't need to go and buy a whole pack of wires or a whole rope. You may use this type of things to clear and get the small piece of wire to use it as a attaching detail for your wreath. By the way, if you don't have the type of wire that I showed you, you may also use the masking wire. By the way, I was collecting these wires from the masks that we had been using. Of course, not all of them. I just kept as many as possible, and I was using it for this type of small projects. So I'm going to attach this wire first and see if it doesn't hold, then I'll use this one as well. So how you are gonna attach the wire? Put the wire above your flag stem, like so, and then make a cross behind it. Kind of pull one end of the wire to one side and the other end to the other side, and attach it to wherever you want. And later, after attaching, you may just turn the ends, kind of make it stronger, and then you may push this and inside one of the beads, or two of the beads in my case. And here is the end result of my home decor for the 4th of July. The last minute home decor with the American flag and the beads. By the way, if you want your flag to stay straight or on the towards the direction you want, you may just use a blow dryer on a medium heat and it will stay the way you want. Just don't burn it, don't melt your, if it's plastic, don't melt it. And if it's from fabric, it's easier. You use your hair straightener by just pressing it towards the flag. But in my case, I'm gonna use a blow dryer. Bring it and use it so it curls not towards to the front, but goes back like so. Okay, dear friends, hope you like my today's DIY. It was fast and easy. Hopefully you put your thumbs up in case you like it, and write your comments. Let me know what you've made for your house, for your 4th of July celebration. This is one of the easiest DIYs that I've shared with you because I've become lazy recently, and after COVID stopped making videos or editing them. I have a bunch of videos that are waiting for editing, but I'm lazy. Hopefully I can finish editing before the 4th of July so you can watch and make similar something. Stay well, dear friends, and come back for DIY ideas like this one. By the way, if you have lanterns, you may also use them with your decor, because the light that is inside the lanterns may kind of symbolize the memory of the soldiers who gave their lives for your country's freedom. Thanks a lot for staying with me till this moment, and see you in my next video. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Bye bye.